To get paid on DoorDash, you need to link your bank account through the Dasher app. Let's walk through this process step by step. Next, you'll need to enter your banking information. This includes your bank's routing number, your account number, and the account type. You'll need to specify whether you're linking a checking or savings account. Most people use checking accounts for regular DoorDash payouts. DoorDash uses advanced security measures, including encryption and two-factor authentication to protect your financial information. Make sure the name on your DoorDash profile matches your bank account exactly. Account verification typically takes 1 to 2 business days through microdeposits, but instant verification is available for 85% of banks. If you encounter issues, double-check your routing number and ensure there are no name mismatches. DoorDash provides 3 main payout options to give drivers flexibility in accessing their earnings. Each option has different timing, costs, and benefits to match your financial needs. Weekly direct deposit is the most economical choice. It's completely free and automatically deposits your previous week's earnings every Monday. The money typically arrives in your bank account within 1 to 3 business days. FastPay offers instant transfers for drivers who need immediate access to their earnings. For a fee of $1.99 per transfer, you can receive up to $500 per day, with a weekly limit of $2,000. The Dasher Direct card provides the best of both worlds: instant access to your earnings with no transfer fees. You also get 2% cash back on gas purchases and access to over 20,000 fee-free ATMs nationwide. According to recent data, 67% of drivers use multiple payout methods for maximum flexibility. This allows them to choose the best option based on their immediate financial needs. DoorDash is continuously expanding payment options. Future integrations include digital wallets like Apple Pay, Google Pay, and PayPal, as well as experimental cryptocurrency payout options in select markets. Understanding these payout options helps you choose the best method for your financial situation. Whether you prefer the free weekly deposits, need instant access with FastPay, or want the convenience of the Dasher Direct card, DoorDash provides flexible solutions for every driver's needs.